you're new, welcome. If you came back, welcome, welcome, welcome. My name is Friencine, and on this channel, I talk about personal financing, getting out of debt, and saving for a better future. So, today is my cash envelope stuffing video, and we are going to do things quite unconventional than we normally do because of this whole ordeal that is happening around the world. So, if you hear anything in the background, as you know, students are doing distant learning, so there will be people in the background. So I do apologize for that, but I will try to keep it at a minimum. So I'm going to flip over to my budget so you can see what we're actually working with this pay period. We're going to move these aside and let's open. This right here is Paycheck 2. This is my job. I don't put my job's name because I don't want people looking it up. Since this technically is my last paycheck, yes, I've been laid off because of this whole ordeal. I was like, screw it. Didn't even think I was gonna show the picture of the income. All right, so what we're working with for this last paycheck is $297. Since this is the last paycheck that I will ever be getting from this company until further notice, that is actually rather low to support me until the next time we open, which God knows when. There's talks about the summer, there's talks about April, there's talks about May. It's a whole lot of talking, but not a lot of action. So $297, not enough. So I budgeted for my typical bills, which is $32, which isn't bad. The main thing that is a killer is my Discover card. Then I put away $162 in emergency fund in my savings account. It's not in cash, because I didn't feel like I wanted to take out the cash just to go back and put the cash back in when it's time to pay bills. So this is basically the amount that I need my expenses for a whole month, which is $162. Then I wanted to finish off my savings challenge of saving $84 for my house savings, future house. So far, that challenge is completed. We have reached the $108. I mean, not $108. $1,008 target. So that was actually great. That was my last contribution to that savings, so I'm really happy. Then I took an Uber to go to Target to get some female stuff. That's all I can explain. Some female stuff. And I didn't want to take the bus after to go home, so I had to repay myself for that. So that's where the $18 come from. And then after this, I think we was left with a few dollars. So this is not your typical cash envelope stuffing video, but I will tell you why it's a cash envelope stuffing video soon. So yeah, so this is what I'm working with for this paycheck. My plan of action for going forward, being that I do not have a job, is to really hone in on, because right now, if I don't find a job or work, I'm good for the next month. And I think I'm good for 2 more months if I take from some savings. And yeah, so it's not bad. I'm not too stressed. Sad, yes, but not stressed because of the situation. So yeah, so I'm going to push that over since we know what we're working with. This is my sinking fund. We're going to put that away, and I'm going to check my wallet. So I guess this is we're going to unstuff with me. So let's see what we have left. Okay. So I don't have anything here. Let's see what change I have. Okay, so I have some quarters, so that's good because I am almost at $10 in quarters. Eating out, I know eating out was gone. Eating out was gone. Me, I don't think I had anything in me last pay period. us. There's nothing in us besides our ticket to, who was that? Where was that? Book of Mormon. That's the only thing that's in that envelope is the Book of Mormon tickets. I gotta put it in my scrapbook. Yes, I do scrapbook. So if you do want to see videos of me scrapbooking, I just want to do scrapbooking to remember what happened during these years, because sometimes we forget, and it's good to take a moment to sit down and be like, yeah, we did that together, we had fun together, look how happy we are, and not everything is bad. So we have nothing in gas. Talking about gas and toiletry, well, gas, I had $20 left in gas. $20, and I was holding it. I was holding it for this video, so I can be like, yes, at least I saved $20. I'm good, even though, you know, I'm not really good. But I had to use it at Target. I didn't think this lockdown was gonna happen. This is my March challenge. I'm not gonna look at this. We look at this when we go over our monthly savings challenge update. So yeah, so nothing is really here besides that. So I guess I'll call this unstuffing, because I'm just basically unstuffing my change. So what I do is, this little pouch is where I keep all my quarters. So yeah, so 2 quarters, and then I put the rest of my change into my bucket over here. So yeah, so that is basically what I'm doing. Everything is electronic right now because of the whole ordeal. So since I am done unstuffing my wallet, everything is put away. So what I'm going to do after, even though it seems like I'm really unstuffing rather than stuffing, I am going to rearrange my sinking funds to support me during this time. I normally do this off camera, so if you wonder why sometimes money's missing but one category is more than the other, but one category is not, yeah, this is what I do when I'm home. I get bored sometimes. So miscellaneous, since miscellaneous was really supposed to be here for emergencies, I'm going to put this money into, I'm going to take this money out because I don't really need miscellaneous. House down payments, I really don't need this house down payment because, as you saw, I gave the last $84 for my savings fund. Let's see what else. This can be used for something else. Birthdays, that doesn't have anything. Christmas is clearly never gonna get filled, so let's put that there. I need school. So I'm basically just going through all the stuff that I don't necessarily need at this current time because of the pandemic. Car I need because my car is still in the shop, and yeah, it's gonna be stuck there. It's gonna be stuck there the same way it had me stuck in them streets. So I do want to keep saving money for either fixing it or getting a new one. So this is basically all the money that I deemed unnecessary to me. Oh, my nail's breaking. Ugh. Okay. So yeah, so these are the monies that I deem I don't need in those categories. So let's see what I have. So we have one. Okay, first let's. Okay. So basically 10. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. So $21 just in things that I don't really necessarily need. So we are going to put them in emergency fund. Yeah, I'm just gonna put all of them in emergency fund, and let's see what we have together. This is like the first video that I will count what's in my cash envelope. So we have 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27. 27. That doesn't sound right, right? 21. Did I say 20 the first time? I said 21. Okay. Let's count it again. 5, 10, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27. 27. Yeah, okay. So that gives me $27 in my emergency fund. So I know typically people would just be like, just put everything in your emergency fund. But I do have a savings account which has money for times like this. But in the instance where I do need cash on hand, this is the baby. So yep, that's basically it. Like, I don't mind. I honestly do not mind starting over with categories because, oh, okay, Netflix, okay. I typically do not mind starting over because I know when I start over, by then I'll have a job that will pay me a lot of money. But I'll keep you updated on this unemployment life. So yeah, I mean, everything happens for a reason. I'm not stressing. I was sad at first, but I got over it. It is what it is. Life happens. I need to stay my behind home. I need to stay my behind home so that everybody in my house can be safe and everybody outside can be safe as well. So that's basically it. I will see you in the next video. I have some new releases coming from my shop. I think you would like it. But yeah, and if you do feel like you are in a place to support, please do not hesitate to support and, you know, subscribe, like, comment, buy some stuff from my shop, you know, things of that nature. So yeah, so thank you so much. I will see you in the next video, which should be my new releases video. So yeah, bye.